Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is laugh it off.
Ha, 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 ha.
You're laughing off my topic now?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I just thought I don't know. It didn't work as well as I thought it was going to.
You should have gone for a more maniacal laugh. Maybe that was it. There you go.
There you go.
That laughs it off well.
So what do we mean by laugh it off? You're going to have things, trials, tribulations, different things in business. This is going to end up happening. You're going to have somebody who doesn't think that you're worth anything. You're going to have people who tell you you can't make it. You're going to have all sorts of, if you're on YouTube, trolls and haters, right? Like, that's going to happen. And really, at the end of the day, you kind of got to get real jovial with it and just laugh it off. Just laugh it off. There was a guy who took in... I forget what he had said. I forget what he said.
I'm not sure which one.
Anyways, he made a really short comment and was like really short and like cut to the quick. Like, you know, I talk too much or this or that.
Yeah, I think that was it. You talk too much.
Yeah, you talk too much. And I said, well, it sounds like you're quite the conversationalist, you know? And I said a few other things that were enlightening. I thought it was real smooth. And it was just hilarious on my end. I even shared it on Instagram. Like, I just made him famous because I thought it was awesome. You know, by the way, we have 1,750-ish subscribers over there on Instagram or followers or whatever.
Yeah.
But, you know, that's just kind of part of it. If you're going to stand for something you believe in, if you're going to, you know, try to encourage some other people, you know, there's bound to be somebody who's going to try to take and shame you at some point. And there's nothing better than watching their face as you laugh at them. Nothing better. Trust me.
Nothing better. The silence really highlighted that one.
Yeah. It's like pure enjoyment. I'm just saying. I've done it in person. But anyway, go ahead. How would you say laughing it off?
How would I say laughing it off? Let's see. My version, I guess, of laughing it off is just the funny stories that sometimes you accumulate being in business. You'll, yeah, your eyes widen. Sometimes you'll get the strangest requests from people, and you know they make great campfire stories to tell your friends.
Yep. Yep. If any of you get the chance to meet me at like a quad state event or at a blacksmithing venue or something of that nature, I've got a lot of campfire stories to tell across my entire career as a blacksmith, and not only as a blacksmith, but my prior vocation before I went into business for myself in heating and air conditioning. I have a lot of things, and I do mean a lot of things to laugh about. So, anyways, don't take it too seriously out there, y'all. Laugh it off. That'll be it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.